we are asked to solve this, since this is none of the above. We're asked to make the subject of formula, make m the subject of formula in this. So we'll solve. Again, we'll notice that we have m in two places. So we'll bring the two together. So let's find the LCM first. The LCM of this, we need to get this first. So to clear the bracket, you multiply each by their LCM. So the LCM of 1, m and 1 is m. So multiplying each by m will have, so multiplying each by m will have rm squared plus p. And multiplying each by m times rxm minus pm. So we've cleared the fraction, the denominator. So what we have to do is collect like terms now. We are looking for m. So we'll bring the m together. So we have rm squared plus pm minus rxm plus p equal to 0, because as from what I'm seeing, it will lead to quadratic equation. So this rm squared plus, this could be written as p minus rx plus p equal to 0. So the next thing is to, as you can see, this is a quadratic equation. From ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, our x is now minus b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Do you remember? So reading it off like this as the coefficient. So our a is r, our b is p minus rs, while our c is p. So we have our m we are looking for is now minus b. So minus p minus rx plus or minus square root minus p squared. So we have p minus rx all squared, because minus 4, our a is r and our c is p over 2, our a is r. So we'll check the option to know whether if there is something like this. Okay, it seems it's a, because we can decide to bring in this minus or take out this minus. So minus, take out this minus. Minus times minus is plus. So we have rx minus p as this. So our answer is A. That's our answer. They are the same. Just the difference, the minus is out, so the p will come out to become negative. So that's the answer. Our answer is A. The next question, we're asked to, if p times q plus 1 is equal to q squared and t equals that, we're asked to express t in terms of q. So we are making t, our answer will be in terms of q only. So we have t is what we are looking for. If you notice 1 over p, there is 1 over p here, there is 1 over p here. Bring out that, factor it out. So we have 1 minus 1 over q. This is the first very good step to take. Remember, we're asked to make t, express it in terms of q. So p will go. So we'll go over to the next equation and make p the subject of formula. Again, but from here, we are making p the subject of formula. P, q equals q squared minus 1. So p is q squared minus 1 over q. That's it. 1 over p, remember 1 over p. P is that, so 1 over p, which implies that 1 over p is q over q squared minus 1. So we are replacing this as q over q squared over 1. So what you have here is q over q squared minus 1. 1 minus 1 over q. So we'll open up. So this times that is same q over q squared minus 1. Why this times that minus 1 over q squared minus 1. So factor, I think that's, we bring LCM is q squared minus 1. We have q minus 1. As you can see, this difference of 2 squared, the denominator, so we can write this as q minus 1 times q plus 1. So this is gone. So we have y. We have 1 over q plus 1. That's the answer. Our answer is A.